This morning, yes I did, yo. I finally caught up with Joe. This morning.
I love surrounding myself with old tools, old cameras and instruments, and seeing the life in these old tools. Somebody at some point took pride in this. Often you can see their name etched in the bottom of a camera, or you can see the life that it's lived. And I think that's what's so cool about art and filmmaking, is that you're creating something that'll be put in the world and will live forever. My name's RJ Bruni, and I'm a filmmaker from British Columbia.
Well, they're like very slight. I'm just very preventative.
Yeah, that's a good call.
Oh, boys, we are absolutely living life.
You can.
What? That's perfect right there, RJ.
Yeah, just like that fast.
That level.
Here, hold this. Time crunch. Setting up our shot. We're running low on light here. We're a little bit late on this hike, so we're trying to do this quick. Setting up the shot of Lucas before the sun fully goes down in the clouds. Looking back at the earlier parts of my career, I had tons of amazing footage from around the world and commercials and all this really cool footage. But it was a certain group of people that I was always hiking with or climbing with or biking with, and I was missing out on a group of people that were really close to me, but they might have not been in those highlight moments. And I felt this conviction that if any of these people passed on tomorrow, that I didn't do a good job of documenting them. And I feel like I've lived with that idea now, and I'm constantly trying to improve of how do I see all the people around me and document them in their truest self.
Yeah, baby.
That was it. That's our last of this roll, boys.
There we are, eh? There we are.
Sure, buddy.
There we are.
Right here, boss. Looking back at this footage, I can get a really good idea and representation of who that person was at that time. It might have not been their happiest moment of life or even their saddest moment of life. It was just them being natural. There's this pressure to only be documenting our highest moments, our tallest peaks. And often we're just missing the moments in life where everyone is just being themselves, interacting naturally with each other. It's a responsibility I've given to myself and something that I'm proud to always be moving forward with.
Second tape, RJ's opening up his new gift. Look at that.
This is a cool watch. It's a real camera.
And this is a compass.
Telescope, binoculars, and flashlight.
You've got your own compass.
Oh
Exactly.
man,
If
all
you
his
ever get lost in the woods, that'll take you.
all his favorite things in one package. I can't believe it.
You can't even. You have to go far distance.
Say cheese.
She's
I fell in love with creating emotions. It really just comes down to that. I started to understand what I could create with just a camera and how it could affect not just me, but the people that experience that art. For me, I find so much purpose in creating something that can change people. I'm surrounded by such incredible people, my friends, my family, you know, the new people I get to meet through my work. And it can be easy to just overlook these things, but to sit down and reflect on the gifts that I've been given in my life is super important for me to do.
We got a little excited.
No, you just gotta clip in the corner.
Actually, we
Taco Sunday.
there's a garbage under there. Hear that?
Got Drew.
Guys?
I think all of us have such unique stories to be passed on for generations and generations to come, and documenting that is really important.
Hey Lucy, morning. Where are you going?
Lucy in the woods.
Hi Dana. Where are you going?
Hi Dana.
RJ.
What are we doing?
Doing the dishes.
Nobody's listening. I hope that I can inspire other people to want to document their lives in a truthful way, and that trickle effect would be really beautiful. I love that you can never be perfect. No piece of art is ever perfect. They're all just unique. You can improve, you can get better. And that's with most things in life. It's with athletic ability, it's with our health. There's always something to be improving on.
I think this is it. I got a cool composition with Dad.
It's not about getting to the top. It's the idea that there is no top to get to. We just have to be going up. It's about being content with where you are, being grateful for what you have, but always moving forward, always striving to get better, to be improving relationships, to be improving your work. For me, it's about constantly walking that line of being content but not satisfied.
That's sweet. That looks awesome.
This is sick. Okay, let's do a couple more here. To be a good filmmaker, I need to constantly be studying everything around me. Music, sounds, people, visuals. We have full creative control of what ends up on that screen and what the audience will feel. So we have to live it ourselves in order to understand how to remake that feeling that we once had. All my work has some element of me within it. If you want to get to know me, then start with my work.